What I'm about to tell you might change the way you solve problems forever. What do Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger and Elon Musk have in common? मैं billions की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. It's the way they think. They practice something called inversion thinking, or they basically think backwards. Hi, my name is Shayan. Thank you so much for watching the video. So Charlie Munger always used to say invert, always invert. ये उनका खुद का quote नहीं है. He took that quote from a 19th century German mathematician called Carl Jacobi. He believed sometimes the best way to solve a problem is to invert it on its head. So what is inversion thinking? The inversion thinking is not asking yourself how do I succeed. It's basically asking yourself what would guarantee failure, और फिर बस उस चीज को आपको अवॉइड करना है. ये सिंपल है पर काफी पावरफुल है. Now why does this work? Apparently as human beings we are all wired to spot dangers faster than we spot opportunities. So when you flip the question, your brain can comprehend things much easily. You can see the dangers faster than the path to success. So here's a 4-step process to implement inversion thinking. Number 1, identify the problem. Number 2, सोचो ये कि आपको आउटकम क्या चाहिए. Number 3, ask yourself what would prevent me from achieving that outcome. And number 4, just avoid the answers to the number 3 question. That's it. वॉरेन बुफे का कहना है कि अगर आपको अपना बिजनेस ग्रो करना है तो ये मत पूछो कि ग्रो कैसे करें, ये पूछो कि what would kill my business and avoid that. For example, I want this channel to grow, so I have to identify what will not make this channel grow. For example, posting very irregularly, not focusing on the content, edit अगर बुरा हो तो एडिट वैसे इंप्रूव तो करना है. और ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग मेथड आप अपने रिलेशनशिप में भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. रादर देन फिगरिंग आउट कि हाउ टू बिल्ड अ ग्रेट रिलेशनशिप, यू हैव टू फिगर आउट व्हाट वुड किल अ रिलेशनशिप एंड जस्ट अवॉइड दैट. इन्वर्जन थिंकिंग कहता है यू डोंट नीड टू बी अ जीनियस, just have to be smart enough to avoid stupidity. One more Charlie Munger quote to finish off the video. It's easier to avoid being stupid than to be brilliant. Moral of the story, sometimes going backward takes you forward. So maybe try applying this method to any problem that you're currently facing in life. मैं तो इस चैनल के लिए अप्लाई करने का सोच ही रहा हूं वैसे. Thank you so much for watching the video. कल मिलते हैं आपसे.